This is a video on how to split this image up into multiple images, defining the amount of rows and columns. So first we want to select the slice tool, so that's under crop and then slice tool, and we just select a whole image, and we've selected it, then right click, divide slice, and we can change this so we want 2 horizontally and 4 across, so that's 8 images. So we click OK, and we have our chunks here. So now we go File, Export, Save for Web. If we zoom in, we have all of our images that we can select, save, and find a folder and just name it whatever, and then we can just save. If we go to that folder, so if we go to that folder, images, and we have all of our different images in here.